Dairy or no dairy? Foods that aggravate or ease nerve pain. Nerve pain, also known as neuropathy, can cause burning, tingling, or stabbing sensations that disrupt daily life. While medication helps, your diet plays a crucial role in either calming or worsening nerve pain. A common question arises: dairy or no dairy? The answer depends on individual tolerance and the type of foods consumed. Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are key foods to consider if you're managing nerve pain. 1. Dairy, helpful or harmful? Some dairy products may worsen inflammation, especially in people sensitive to casein or lactose. This can increase nerve pain. However, certain dairy items, like yogurt or kefir, offer probiotics and B12, which support nerve health. The decision comes down to personal response. Monitor symptoms closely if consuming dairy. 2. Foods that aggravate nerve pain. Refined sugars. High sugar intake increases inflammation and worsens nerve damage, especially in diabetics. Processed foods and trans fats, fast food, chips, and packaged snacks contain unhealthy fats that disrupt nerve function. Gluten. If sensitive, those with gluten sensitivity may experience nerve flare-ups. Alcohol. Excessive drinking depletes nerve-supporting vitamins like B12. 3. Foods that ease nerve pain. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts. Omega-3s reduce inflammation. Antioxidant-rich vegetables and fruits, berries, spinach, and broccoli protect nerve cells. Magnesium sources, avocados, nuts, and dark chocolate help calm nerve overactivity. B12-rich foods, eggs, fish, and fortified cereals help maintain nerve insulation. Reduce processed foods, increase anti-inflammatory options, and evaluate how your body responds to dairy. Your nerves may thank you. Struggling with nerve discomfort that just won't go away? Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.